it's Julia here again from Made by the Chef. And today, I thought I'd do something a little bit different. So I've got a plate full of snacks here that I prepared for myself. I've got roasted asparagus, here we go, some artichoke dip that I made, and some sourdough toast. And I like that because it's simple. There's no airs and graces, there's no fancy this and bits of sprinkles of that or mousses or sauces or whatever it is. It's just a simple snack. Each one has its own little flavour. Each one has its own texture. So whether that's soft and creamy from the dip to the slight crunch and softness and kind of tartiness of the asparagus, to the toast, the sourdough toast and its crunch when you bite into it, and I've put a little bit of butter on there as well. What I wanted to say to you is that I know we're living in some very interesting times right now, and actually these kinds of situations are there to make us stop for a minute and actually appreciate those small things around us. So rather than your daily grind, rushing off to work, spending hours travelling, hours at the office and then rushing back, and if you've got kids, maybe rushing off to pick the kids up or rushing off to go to a class or do this, or maybe you're taking a course or whatever it is, everything always seems to be just happening all at once and you're moving around really, really quickly. But actually, when at any point in the day do you just stop and take a breath and just take a moment, not even thinking, more a meditative moment where you're just listening to your breath and just feeling the senses within your body. That's a kind of mindfulness technique. And actually savouring the flavours of a dish that you've cooked or prepared, or even just something as simple as eating a humble apple, can really put you at ease. So what I say to you, appreciate those little things around you. Because now you've got a bit more time to spend with your family or your friends. Now you've got time to appreciate the environment that you're living. Maybe you want to have a declutter, a little bit of a tidy up, whatever it is. Maybe you want to get round to reading that book that you've always been wanting to do. Build that model, make that jigsaw puzzle, whatever it is. But actually appreciate those small little things. Appreciate something delicious to eat, whether that's just a piece of toast or anything. And appreciate you, appreciate yourself, because that's how important this is. It's not just about you appreciating the family and friends and everyone else. You've got to appreciate yourself. You can do that by sitting there and valuing those little things around you that make you happy, that make you smile. So try something today. Try a little bit of mindfulness. Now, have a wicked day. Stay home with me, and I'll see you again soon.